Are you having issues with your World app not working properly? Don't worry, here's the solution. First, force quit the app and then reopen it. Many times, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Next, open the Play Store or App Store and check if there's an update available for the World app. If you see one, make sure to update the app, then relaunch it again. If the issue continues, check your internet connection. Go into your phone settings and confirm that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Also, make sure you're not connected to a VPN because the app doesn't work properly when a VPN is active. Disable the VPN if it's turned on. After that, go to your phone's app settings. Under Storage, clear the cache and data for the World app. If you're using an iPhone, you can offload the app and then reinstall it. Finally, restart your phone and ensure that both your operating system and the World app are fully updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more World app tips.